Hello po, Sagittarius Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong collective reading for January 27 to February 2. So, na-pre-shuffle na po natin lahat ng gagamitin nating cards. So, let's start. Kung nyo lang po yung maka-resonate kayo, leave the rest. Collective reading naman po ito for your weekly reading. So, simulan na natin. Your overall energy for the week of the Judgment card. Archangel Gabriel na nandito. In the area of what you want, we have the Eight of Cups. In the area of what you need, we have the Moon. In the area of your recent past, we have the Six of Swords. In the area of your near future, we have the Six of Pentacles, 6-6 balance. In the area of your challenge, we have the Page of Wands. In the area of your fortune, we have the Three of Swords. Nasa fortune naman yan, nasa swerte part. So, swerte pa rin yan. In the area of your divine advice, we have the Two of Wands. And the Queen of Pentacles. In your outcome, we have the Nine of Wands. So, Sagittarius, at the bottom of your deck, we have the Sun, having that happy mindset, completion, healing. I'm seeing you being healed from your recent sickness. Kung kayo po ay nagkasakit, you're very, very happy, your optimism. You're looking at the brighter side of everything at hindi ka masyadong nag-iisip ng mga bagay na panghihinaan mo, no? So, you are looking at the bright side of life. Yun at sa bottom of the deck mo. At the center of your reading, we have the Judgment Awakening. It's like soul awakening. Parang ngayon alam mo na kung anong gusto mong gawin, kung anong gagawin mo. You listen to your intuition. Nagising ka on something. May nalaman kang katotohanan and now alam mo na kung paano mo gagamayin o gagawin yung isang bagay because you're already parang equipped of the right knowledge na dapat mong gawin. So you're being awakened. Parang alam mo na you're being called to judge na this time kung ano magiging decision mo sa isang bagay. So judgment is being clarified by the Fool. There's something new. Itong gagawin mo. Itong wake-up call na binigay sa'yo ni Archangel Gabriel. A wake-up call to try to do something new. Take a leap of faith. Parang isa pang beses sa gagawin mo to. Parang try mo naman on a different light, on a different scale, on a different lens. Parang you having this initiative na parang, sige, try ko kaya itong isa pang bagay, baka dito mag-work. Yun, parang ganun. Akyat tayo sa area of your conscious and subconscious decisions. In the area of your consciousness, what you want is the Eight of Cups. Gusto mo umalis, gusto mo umiba ng direksyon. For you, parang nakapag-decide ka na it's time to move on, it's time to try something else. Try your luck on a different field or different work. Parang this is like parang natanggal yung excess baggage sa'yo, yung parang burden sa'yo, now you want to go somewhere else. For you, parang this is parang not selfish, but you're doing this for yourself. Clarify natin, Eight of Cups is being clarified by the Queen of Swords. Yeah, parang nag-decide ka talaga, parang malinaw na sa isip mo kung anong gagawin mo, paninindigan mo yung gusto mong gawin. You learned about the truth at yung judgment mo, sabi mo sa sarili mo, you want to go on a peaceful or something new para sa buhay mo. So, malinaw sa'yo as a Queen of Swords yung gagawin mo. Hindi ka nakikinig sa kasinungalingan o sa pambobola ng iba. Parang sabi mo, I had enough, I'm going to somewhere else na para sa akin. But in the area of what you need, this is what you want. But what you need daw is you trusting the process. You going to a new adventure with this Fool card. Parang there's parang unclear waters. Parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung dadatnan mo doon at kung ano yung dapat mong gawin when you get there. So the answer is enjoy the process. There are a lot of things na hindi ibibigay sa iyo ang sagot because you're just parang trying to trust the higher power to give you the great adventure na parang tutulungan ka. Since Archangel Gabriel is here, know that you are protected in this journey na gagawin mo. Have that worthy na trust sa sarili mo. Trust your intuition. Answers are not yet there. There are some things na hidden for you. But you know there are may ilaw or may light at the end of the tunnel. And trust the process na ikaw ay darating din doon at everything will be fine sa'yo. So the Moon is being clarified by the King of Pentacles. This is you being tactical, analytical. You're very outgoing naman eh, very optimistic ka nga eh, very extroverted ka. You're very, very funny na tao. That's your parang element mo yun eh. So, having here King of Pentacles, you driving your life into the things na parang kahit hindi ka sigurado, you know in your heart na kaya mo yan. And you have parang surrendering to the parang higher calling na kung ano man yung pupuntahan, dadalhin mo, it's your for higher good. In the recent past, you have the Six of Swords. Talagang umalis ka. You want change, kung ito ay relocation, you want something new, some new parang new circle, new group, you want fresh start. Kaya siguro nagising ka na rin parang enough is enough, I wanna go somewhere else, I wanna start something new. So the Six of Swords is being clarified by the Nine of Pentacles. Talaga para sa sarili mo ito, for your higher good. Gusto mo na independence, gusto mo na mag-try to have that luxury and unahin mo na yung sarili mo, and this time aalis ka muna. And the area of your near future, we have the Six of Pentacles. You parang nag-decide ka na, and you understand na kung kanina mo ibibigay yung effort, yung power, and your time mo, and also your money, kasi kanino worthy yung time mo at pera mo. Parang hindi ka magbibigay sa mga tao o sa mga bagay na walang balik o walang return sa'yo, na parang maganda, di ba? Parang you're restoring balance in your life. Mag-effort ka sa mga bagay na alam mo mahal ka sa'yo at may balik sa'yo, rather than those people or those places that takes you for granted, di ba? So the Six of Pentacles is being clarified by the High Priestess. You taking control of your life, having that power within you na parang sinusunod mo yung kung ano yung kutob mo at nararamdaman mo. Pag alam mong itong taong ito, itong bagay na to na pinaglalaanan mo ng oras, atensyon at pera ay alam mong hindi makabuti sa'yo, listen to that intuition, because your intuition is usually and is true, and that is a fact. So alamin mo kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong paglaanan ng oras at panahon at pera. Kapag I'm hearing scam, if kung may nag-offer sa iyo and it's too good to be true, pakinggan mo yung intuition mo and don't give your money there. Don't spend your time and attention and ears para makinig sa mga nag-offer na yan, because naririnig ko scam. So listen to your higher intuition. Buksan mo ang mata mo, not literally but figuratively, yung talagang yung power mo to really feel the truth behind the logical na mga bagay-bagay, diba? In the area of your challenge, we have the Page of Wands. You having inhibitions and fear sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Yes, pupunta ka sa calmer waters. Yes, gusto mo mag-try on something new. Gusto mo umalis. But the challenge for you ay panindigan at saka umatras. Yun ang challenge sa'yo. Huwag ka daw aatras. Huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. Huwag kang matatakot. Nasimulan mo na, pumunta ka na doon sa bagay na gusto mong gawin. You walked away. You decided na I want a fresh start, fresh ideas. So, pangatawanan mo daw, sabi ng Page of Wands. So, yun ang challenge sa'yo. Paano mo pangatawanan yung bagay na gusto mo? Sa Page of Wands is being clarified by the Knight of Pentacles. Gawin mo daw to ng dahan-dahan lang. Steady, meticulously planning every step. Huwag kang magmamadali o huwag mong pangungunahan yung emosyon mo just because everything is new. So, na-overwhelm ka doon sa pupuntahan mo o sa gagawin mo. Everything is like very combobulating your mind. Parang sobrang dami na overwhelm ka sa mga bagong ideas o bagong mga tao na kasalamuha mo. So, atakihin mo daw itong Page of Wands ng Knight of Pentacles. Dahan-dahan lang, plant your seed, very well, meticulously, unti-unti, magagawa mo rin gusto mo. Basta huwag kang panghihinaan ng loob at saka huwag kang matatakot. Just try it with a much better plan for you. In the area of your fortune, pag-usapan natin to, Three of Swords. So, usually it's sorrow, heartbreak, and failures. But since nasa area siya ng good fortune, meaning nalagpasan mo na yon, natutunan mo na yung lesson doon, naka-move forward ka na, nakapag-move on ka na, you already accepted what was, and you're ready what is, kung ano mangyayari in the future. You already accepted that what happened is not really a a sentence, a life sentence, kumbaga. Kung ano may nangyari noon na failure or heartbreak, it's not the end and you're open na for brand new things to come to you. So, Three of Swords is being clarified by the lovers. Something na ba? Kung ito ay love reading talaga for someone of you na heartbreak, ready ka na mag-let go sa taong yun, ready ka na mag-move forward, open. Hindi ka man ready for a new love, but you're ready parang to embrace something new in your life, kaya ka mag-start over. If this is a love reading, yeah, I'm seeing this as a love reading. You're using your intuition kung kayo naka magbibigay ng atensyon. Alamin mo kung kanino karapat dapat magbigay ng atensyon. Maka-move on ka na sa last love life mo. You're moving forward and now mas equipped ka sa mga dapat mong gawin. Okay? In the area of divine advice, we have the Two of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Having your vision on something na gusto mong pahalagahan o something na gusto mong blessings na gusto mong palaguin o payabungin. So don't lose that vision. Mag-decide ka din because Two of Wands is a card of decisions, card of visions. You having that clear pananaw sa gusto mong tahakin. Kasi you don't want to waste time, you don't want to waste chances and opportunities. Kung ano yung gusto mong tahakin, pahalagahan mo, mag-focus ka doon, and don't be afraid and plan meticulously because this brand new start ay hindi lagi nangyayari at hindi lagi nabibigay for anybody, diba? So clarify natin, ang Two of Wands is being clarified by the Five of Pentacles. Huwag mo daw isipin yung mga kahinaan mo o yung mga kakulangan mo. I-enforce mo at gamitin mo yung mga strengths mo at yung mga powerful things na meron kang abilities, kung ano yung strengths mo at saka kalakasan mo yun ang gamitin mo. Wag mo daw bigyan ng atensyon itong mga weaknesses na meron ka. Ang Queen of Pentacles ay being clarified by the World. You have the world at your disposal. You can manifest anything. You can nurture anything. Just open yourself up to the world. Huwag ka magkulong sa sarili mong mundo. And have that vision and you will get you will get anything that you want in your life. Bago tayo dumating sa outcome na 9 of Wands, tingin muna tayo ng mga oracle messages for you. Let's start with the Fox Spirit. Kung nakita po kayo ng Fox anywhere, whether picture, personal, o napag-usapan ninyo, this is a confirmation na itong message na ito ay para sa inyo. Number 27, Fox Spirit, think on your feet. Sometimes daw, minsan may mga desisyon na gut feeling, High Priestess, na parang, teka, alam ko tong bagay na to, ito yung tama kong gawin mo na. Mayroon daw mga bagay, sabi ng Fox Spirit, na hindi mo kailangan ng malalimang pag-iisip. Pag naramdaman mong tama yung gagawin mo, do it. Another Monology Oracle, don't let your past hold you back. Ang sabi ko sa inyo. This one, yung mga weaknesses, yung mga bagay in the past, move on, move forward, the sorrow, the pain. Forget about it, start over because something new will come to you, a new start, wake-up call from the past na hindi mo na kailangan, na tatauhan ka na alam mo na kung gagawin mo, walk away from the things, from the people na naging dishonest sa'yo, na pinahirapan ka, or naging disloyal sa'yo, manipulate ka. So don't let your past hold you back. Okay, move on with the Six of Swords and the Eight of Cups. Another message is reaching your destination. Your light is shining brightly. So that is a confirmation na you're going to the places na alam mo makakabuti sa'yo at para sa'yo. Itong the Moon in the area of what you need, trust the process. Trust the destination and huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. You are the King of embrace the King of Pentacles na energy. Analytical, you know what to do, alam mo kung paano tiyagain ng mga bagay-bagay, at saka don't lose that magic within you kasi magagawa mo yung gusto mong gawin. So in the area of your outcome, this week, January 27 to February 2, you have the 9 of Wands. Kahit nahihirapan ka na, continue pa rin. You have it. Isa pang try. I'm hearing isa pang try. Natito ako sa bago kong mundo with the Fool card. And the world is here, advice sa'yo. Gawin mo pa rin, parang feeling ko this time, it will work out for you. You've been bruised with a lot of times dito sa past heartaches na to. with the lovers, kung ito man ay relasyon o mga bagay na pinahalagahan mo, passion, work, or anything na talagang importante sa'yo. Now is the time to try something else. Another try, isa pa, kaya mo pa. Maybe this time it will work na. The Nine of Pentacles is being clarified. Nine of Wands pala, Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Wands is being clarified. But the Six of Wands, victory. Wow. You being resilient, you still going on kahit nahihirapan ka na, proving yourself, proving na kaya mo to on your own. Kahit anong sinasabi ng iba, kahit bruised ka na with this heartache, eh malalagpasan mo because you're very resilient and you pushed through even nahihirapan ka na. And this is a confirmation na magiging matagumpay ka dito sa endeavor mo na ito. So congratulations, Sagittarius. Kung ano mang mangyayari sa'yo sa January 27 to February 2, it will be a victorious outcome for you because you're very resilient and you're strong. You have that strength within you para malagpasan itong bagong area na papuntahan mo. You have been awakened from something in the past. You're ready to move on and move forward and start something new. And you will be very, very victorious sa area na yan. So, congratulations, Sagittarius. That is your reading for today for January 27 to February 2. Thank you for watching. Kung saan man po kayo nakaresonate, comment below. Mag-reply po ako sa inyong mga stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next week for your weekly reading. This has been James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.